In this video, I'll show you how to set up your new LG TV from the beginning. All I did is unbox it and plug it into the wall socket. Even if your remote control does not look exactly like mine, simply follow the steps I'll show you because they're similar. So let's get started right away. So first thing over here, as they say, you need to press the middle button, this one, once while pointing the remote at the TV.
Select installation method.
Now you may hear this voice, it's quite annoying. If you ask me,
Volume.
you can simply lower the volume using your remote control if you want to stop hearing it. Now we have two different choices. We can set up this TV using your smartphone, or we can set it up only using the TV, and I'll select this one because I feel most people will choose this option. So I'll select it in white and then press the middle button to accept. Now they will ask you about this audio guidance, the one we just lowered the volume. You can turn it off simply by selecting no and then press the middle button to confirm. Now we can put the volume up again since we won't hear that annoying voice telling us everything we select. Now it's time to select your language, your country, and the time. So over here I'll leave it to English. I'll press the middle button once if you want to select something else, but I'll keep it to English. Then under Canada over here, you see I cannot move it because most of the time your LG TV will be region locked. It means you cannot change the region. It will depend in which country this TV was sold in. In my case, it's Canada, so this is why I cannot change it. And then select a time zone. If your country has multiple time zones, you'll need to select one of these. Then go over here and select next. It's time to connect your LG TV to the internet. So in this list, you're gonna use the up and down arrow to select your Wi-Fi network. Press the middle button. And now it's time to type the password of this network. Once you're done, you're going to select enter and press the enter button on your remote control. Then you're going to press next down below. Select all, check this item, then select more, and then press the middle button to agree. Over here, you're going to have to select something from this list, so press the middle button. And if you have attached an antenna to your TV, go ahead and select antenna. If you didn't attach anything and you'll simply use it with the apps that are included, press none. And this is what I'll select. And then select the next button. Now you'll have to input your zip code, area code, or postal code, depending in which country you're located. Once you're done, you're going to select the enter button and press enter on the remote control. Then go down and select next. They'll ask you to select if your TV will stay on the stands that they came with. You see these small legs over here, or if you're gonna mount it on a wall directly without using those stands, so it's not sitting on a table. You have to select one of these two options depending how you're gonna use your TV. In my case, it's on stand, so I'll select stand. Now it's time to sign in into your LG account. You're not obligated to do this. Unfortunately, if you refuse to do it, you won't be able to download and update apps, which makes your smart TV pretty useless, since many apps requires to be updated often, and if you don't do it, you cannot use them. You have a few options on how to sign in. The first over here is to sign in using their app, which is the LG ThinkQ. You see, it says over here, ThinkQ app. If you don't have it or don't want to install it, you'll be able to sign in using mobile web over here. This is done on your smartphone. Or to sign in on your TV by inputting your information using the remote control. But this one is the hardest since you don't have letters to type your password and it can take a while. So I'll select, and I suggest you select the second one, sign in with mobile web. you just need to do two things. Take your smartphone, scan this QR code. I'll do it in just a few seconds. And then we have to input this password. Yours will be different. So this is my iPhone. You can use your Android smartphone as well. And I'll scan this QR code. I'll see a small link over here in yellow. It will bring me directly on the LG web page, where I'll be able to enter the code by clicking enter code here. Oops. And type it. So let me check. In my case, it's P16QNJ. So let me type this. Okay, I'm done. I'll simply press done here on the app. Next. And now I have to sign in into my LG account. So if you know your information, your email ID and password, go ahead. If you've never done this in the past, you don't have any LG account, you'll need to create one. And you can tap create account, or you can use different sign-in options like sign in with your Apple ID or sign in with your Facebook account or Google account. At the end, you should receive this message that you're signed in. Here they will give you a nickname that you can modify if you're not happy, simply by pressing the middle button here and typing something else you prefer. And once you're done, press the OK button. Here they will ask you, they will propose to you to install a few apps if you want them. You have LG channels, which are a bunch of internet channels that you get for free. So it's quite nice to have, especially if you do not have an antenna. It's like live TV, but on the internet for free. You have Alexa if you're ever using this service, Prime Video, Tubi, and YouTube. Obviously YouTube, most people will want it, so simply check it and select app installation. If you get this message, simply select OK, then select close. And LG channels, the option I just talked to you about, will open first. And you'll have a bunch of free channels appearing. If you want to have access to more options, press the home button on the remote control once to have the menu appearing. This is the main menu of your LG TV, where you're going to interact with the different options and different apps. On the bottom of the screen here are all the apps that are installed on your LG TV. There's a bunch of them. If you want to move them around, because let's say you prefer having YouTube first, simply go and highlight the app, let's say YouTube, press the middle button here on your remote control until you have this screen, and then you'll be able to move it using the left and right arrow. So let me put it first, and then press the middle button to put it there and select close. This way you can rearrange them depending on how you prefer. Subscribe, check the links in the description down below. If you want to get an antenna from Amazon, I get a very small commission from them every time somebody buys something through my links, and this supports my channel. If not, simply leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.